Good morning students, how are you all? Today we have to start chapter 1 integer and exercise 1c. So in this exercise we will learn how to do divisions of integers. So in question number 1 some problems are given. So let's start. In first part we have given 65 divided by minus 13. So when we divide 65 by minus 13 it will be 65 upon minus 13 and answer will be minus 5. Next, fourth part. Here we have given minus 132 divided by 12. So when we will divide minus 132 by 12, so it will be minus 11. As we know, sign will be of minus. So it is minus 11. So next, eighth part. In eighth part, minus 36 by minus 1. So when we will divide minus 36 by minus 1, minus will be cancelled and it will be 36. So here answer will be 36. Next part, see 10th part. In 10th part, minus 63. We have to divide minus 63 by 63. So minus 63 upon 63 it will be minus 1. So it's after this 12th part, minus 8 by 1. When we will divide this minus 8 by 1, answer will be minus 8. So here rest of the part you can try yourself. So after this next question. Here's the question number 12. Fill in the blanks. So in this we have given 75 divided by a dash equals to minus 4. So we will do first part. Let us take it as x. So here 72 divided by x equals to minus 4. This divide means that we can write this x in denominator. So 72 upon x equals to minus 4 upon 1. After this we can do cross multiplication. When we will do cross multiplication, this x will be multiplied by minus 4 and 72 will be multiplied by 1. So it becomes minus 4x equal to 72. So for finding this value of x, minus 4 will be divided by 72. When we will divide 72 by minus 4, it will be minus 18. So here minus 18 will be the answer. After this third part, here we can write x divided by minus 4 equals to 24. We can write here x upon minus 4 equals to 24 upon 1. When we will do cross multiplication, this x will be multiplied by 1. So x into 1 and minus 4 will be multiplied by 24. So here x equals to minus 96. So here value of x will be minus 96. Next, sixth part. So in this sixth part, x divided by 1 equals to minus 37. When we will divide x by 1, it is minus 37 upon 1. By doing cross multiply, x into 1 will be x and here minus 37. So value of x will be minus 37. Now see this fourth part. Here x divided by 25 equals to 0. As we know, when we will divide these numbers, so what we will have to write here, x divided by 25 equals to 0. So x upon 25 equals to 0. By doing cross multiplication, x will be multiplied by 0. This 25 will be multiplied by 0. So here value of x will be 0. So rest of the question you can try yourself. So after this next question, see question number 3. In this you have to tell true or false. So first part, 0 divided by minus 4 equals to 0. Yes, it is true. When we divide any number by 0, it will be 0. Here minus 6 divided by 0 equals to 0. It is false. As we know that any number cannot be divisible by 0. When we will divide any number by 0, it will be indefinite form. So it will be the false. So next part, minus 5 divided by minus 1 equals to minus 5. It is also false. Why? Because when we divide this minus 5 by minus 1, this minus sign will be cancelled, as minus 5 upon minus 1 it will be cancelled, so answer will be 5, but it is written here minus 5, so it will be false. Now next, minus 8 divided by 1 equals to 8. Yes, it is true. And minus 1 divided by minus 1, it is minus 1. No, it is false, as when we divide minus 1 by minus 1, then minus sign will be cancelled and answer will be plus 1, so it is false. Now next, minus 9 divided by minus 5 equal to 9. Yes, it is true, because when we divide this minus 9 upon minus 1, minus sign will be cancelled and answer will be 9. That's why it is true. So it was all about your exercise. No, so after this you have to try your exercise. So in next session we will do next exercise. So for this, try these questions. Thank you.